Hi parents and students, Miss Jenny here again. I just wanted to do a little description of our engineering class. I know it's all full and has a wait list, but we do have a class in August. It's the same class, our Intro to Engineering class. So together with my husband, Vlad, we designed this curriculum that really targets the skills all engineers really need to know to be successful in the workplace. So it's very exciting, combined with my experience with gifted curriculum writing, with depth and complexity, big ideas, infusing the classics and layering it in very strategic ways. We've taken the skills of an engineer and really made it these lessons very complex, but simple in the same way. So let me show you what you'll get in the mail. You'll get this trunk. I'm into the cute factor. I like things that are cute. And it says "Welcome to eGifted." I know it's backwards, but right when the students get the trunk, they will be charged with the assignment, a Rube Goldberg assignment. Since this has been done from teachers before, we wanted to just give the students an activity to jump right into the engineering curriculum. So we've just provided YouTube videos and websites and bios and some other handouts for students to really digest at their own speed right when they get the trunk. So they're charged with the task of, throughout the whole week, developing a Rube Goldberg machine using these marbles. And we've given them a lot of really fun and engaging examples. They also can use a pulley for this project. And I think we gave them also a couple other things to use. They're little, because we ship them, but they can also use the spools. Another activity that we have designed includes these bricks, and these bricks actually float on water. So we are going to talk to them about buoyancy and all of those different things, and have them build a structure using toothpicks and have them, float on water. And we're going to talk about structures being sound and secure. The students will also participate in a pendulum activity. We've provided weights, and we're going to talk to them about designing their own experiment and collecting data, and then analyzing that data. So that's one of the weeks. You can tell, our lessons are very condensed and engaging. We use every minute we have with the students to teach them some skills or engage them in the content. We also will be giving them some sticks for building a bridge. And a lot of our activities are open-ended in nature by design to give the students some creativity of thought. So they will be charged with the task of developing a bridge and also testing that bridge, seeing how much weight, how many rocks that bridge can take. And there is a video that we'll send out to all of our students with MIT students doing this exact experiment. And then, we have a couple other things planned, but I can't give away all my secrets. But we're very excited for this engineering class. We think we'll be engaging on many levels and teach the students concrete skills that they'll transfer not only into college, but into the workplace. And hopefully they get excited about the engineering career. So we're very excited about this curriculum. It's part of our STEM curriculum and so far very popular. So thanks for all your support, and we'll see you online.